So this is the box that this comes in. I already opened it, but essentially it's this. And then it has instructions on the very top. And then it comes out here. And it really isn't that big. It comes with a USB cable to be able to charge. That's kind of what it is. And then, let me show you. This is the actual product. I love that it has a cutter. It's super easy to install and just get going right away. And then I'm trying to give you like a, if you look here, this is the size of it. I have a little notebook here right next to it. I'm just trying to give you like a little bit of a perspective in terms of how big it is. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like half the size of the notebook, and the notebook's not very thick, right? And then obviously it's like if the notebook is sitting here, you sit that on top of the notebook. Yeah, so that's kind of the size and dimensions of it. But I like it. It's been really great, actually, with this, using this. And I like that it has the whole, I don't even know what you call that, but you'll be able to hold it. So I would recommend it, definitely.
Highly recommend this printer. It is super easy to use. It has YouTube instructions. Comes with plenty of paper to get you started with. This is a fake label that I printed just to give it a test. And I mean, as you can see, it's high quality. It's super fast, very easy. There's instructions for everything. This is how you open it up, and it tells you how to feed the paper in multiple different languages. I used it through Bluetooth and printed a label from my phone, which is very helpful. But it also comes with this adapter for you to be able to hook it up to your computer with a USB port. This product is a must if you are planning on doing frequent shipping labels. Even if you're not doing frequent shipping labels, this was so affordable. I don't even know how I'm ever gonna go back to the old way of waiting in line at the post office. This was amazing. Thank you for this product, and it's a crucial part of my business.
Button on. Go into the Nelko app. It's already connected automatically. We will type out something. Confirm. You can change all the text and font. Whatever you want. Then you hit print. Print. And it's as easy as that.
super helpful little product. It can fit in the palm of my hand. Immediately connected through Bluetooth on the app. The labels came out very clear. They stick it here on this metal shelf here in my garage. Made it a little more organized. The only issue was some of the ink wasn't super working great. Maybe about 10 of them in. But then I just left it alone for a minute and then it started working again just fine. So I'm totally gonna 4 stars.
El apellido es bien difícil también. Vamos a aprender a pronunciar. Durante el programa vamos a ir pronunciando mejor y ahí nos va explicando. Fernando, años cliente, no voy a contar cómo levanté temprano. Estoy viendo con toda la buena vida del mundo, de verdad. Mi baby, te lo juro por mi vida. Hoy yo me levanté en mi visita linda, con la mesa ahí, relajada. De lo más lindo. Ayer, no, es que ayer.
This is the Nelko portable label maker. This is so cool because it connects to an app and it is inkless printing, and it just allows you to make labels off your phone. And the cool thing about this is it's super small and compact, so it is very portable and easy to travel it with whenever you need to make a label.
Llevo usando esta impresora solo un mes y ya el papel, no sé por qué no lo reconozco. Miren. Me sirve ni forma.
Alright, so this is the Nelko label maker. Man, this little thing is awesome, man. Got me putting labels on everything in the house. USB-C charging port. App. Hook to your phone. Really self-explanatory, man. This thing works great.
Okay, so this printer here is, I finally got it hooked up. So now I got the text, sit down and see how it is.
Didn't come with tape.